engraving on the new lighting was great because we can actually engrave each light and get specific to each area.
We've now programmed all of the small light panels at the entrances at the doors to do exactly what we want them to do. And you could name them anything you want.
So it's nice being able to have her walk through the house with us and tell us, name this, this light switch, this specific niche or chandelier or sconces. The 6 buttons to be able to leave for dinner and hit the dinner button and have the lights go to 50%. And then when they come home, they can hit home and go to their scenes that they predetermine on all the different lighting scenes.
And when you come in the front door, you hit a button and the pretty scene comes on and the entire house turns into a very beautiful lighting scene. You hit the all off button and you are 100% sure that everything in the house is turned off, which is really cool that you could never do with normal quote unquote lights. You really can start to dive into making the system always more and more intuitive.
The new dimmers, you can change the on, so you have the backlight as well, that you can change the different colors on that. There's 8 different colors to choose from. The little LED on the top and the bottom, so you can change those colors. You can adjust the brightness, so if they don't want them on at night when they go to bed and they're in the bedroom, they can adjust those. The adaptive phase dimmer is going to automatically adjust for any changes that they may do in the next 6 to 12 months because they don't like the certain kind of lighting that's in that room. We won't have to come back and swap out dimmers to a new one and have the buttons re-engraved. It's a nice feature that the homeowner knows that they can always change the type of lights that's in a room, and we won't have to make another trip back to make any changes on our end.
A big button is kind of the one that you think you probably should push as compared to the smaller buttons, and having different button choices is really neat. I really want to have my space be very intuitive for anyone to come. If it's, you know, my 78-year-old mother in the guest room, I want her to be able to actually work the system.
Everything makes a lot of sense.